Zeblaze Btalk Lite is a smartwatch designed and manufactured by Zeblaze, a company that specializes in producing wearables and other electronic gadgets. The Btalk Lite is a budget-friendly smartwatch that comes with a range of features, including fitness tracking, notifications, and more. The watch features a 1.28-inch IPS color display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. It has a lightweight design and is made of durable materials, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. The Btalk Lite is compatible with both Android and iOS devices and connects via Bluetooth. One of the key features of the Zeblaze Btalk Lite is its fitness tracking capabilities. It comes with multiple sensors, including an accelerometer, heart rate monitor, and pedometer, which allow it to track various activities such as steps taken, calories burned, distance traveled, and more. The watch also has multiple sports modes, including running, walking, cycling, and more, in addition to fitness tracking. The Btalk Lite also has other features, including the ability to receive notifications for calls, messages, and social media apps. It also has a remote camera feature, which allows you to control your phone's camera from your watch. Overall, the Zeblaze Btalk Lite is a budget-friendly smartwatch that offers a range of features, making it a good option for those looking for a basic smartwatch with fitness tracking capabilities.